It is day 2, session first. It is of 90 minutes. Objectives to enable participants to differentiate the three types of arts. Art as curriculum, arts enhanced curriculum, and art integrated learning or education. Appreciate the rich culture, heritage of our country and make use of these different art forms in the teaching learning process.
Yes, anyone of you can tell me the term equity and equality in terms of...
One, two, four.
How to speak and what is the method speaking?
Mathematics pattern is sign of I am correct. Okay. Right. So we can say that I am. Now this question is.
Topic is numerals 1 to 5. And so different they have completely different ways of getting the students to next and identify the numbers. So one is say correct. So,
Teacher will like that. Yes, ma'am.
my first thought was a bird. Carefully, I want to fly and fly. And then I thought, no, I want to be a stamp, like a stamp, because I want to stop. I don't want to stop until I reach my destination.